In this video, I will show you how you can turn down your AirPods tone volume and notifications on any AirPods. Now, first of all, just pair your AirPods with your iPhone. Now, after you do that, now on your iPhone, just go to Settings, and from here, just tap on the name of your AirPods. On this page, just scroll down and tap on Accessibility. And under the Accessibility settings, you will find the option of tone volume. Now to adjust the tone volume, just increase or decrease the slider. By default, it is on 100%, but you can decrease it if you want to decrease the tone volume, and if you want to increase it, you can slide the slider to the right side. Now we have done that, but if this did not work for you, then just go back to the main settings page and tap on Sounds and Haptics. From here, just decrease the slider for ringtone and alerts. And after you've done that, from here you will be able to increase or decrease all the ringtone and alerts volume. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.